Hello, welcome back. After doing the number wheel video, I realized that there are way too many concepts that are being covered in that. So I thought it may be useful to make another video wherein we focus on just calculating, practicing some numbers, calculating the digit sums and placing them on the number wheel. So let's try some very simple samples so we understand the digit sum calculation and how we place them on the number wheel better. So let's take a number 5000. Okay, uh, 5653. So as we learned in the previous video, we can do away with uh, nines. So it's a good idea to drop all the numbers that add up to nines or the nines themselves. So if you observe, 6 and 3 add up to 9. So we could ignore them and consider only the numbers that's left out, which is 5 plus 5, that's 10, and the digit sum of 10 is 1. So 5653 can be placed on the spoke of 1. 5653 can be placed there. Now let's try another larger number. Let's say it's 64,359. Okay, now 9 can be ignored. Likewise, if you observe, there's a 5 and a 4. 5 and 4 add up to 5 and 4 add up to 9. So those can as well be ignored. 6 and 3 as well add up to 9. So this as well can be ignored, which means the digit sum turns out to be 0, and we know that 0 falls on the spoke of 9 here, right here. So this number 64,359 can be placed on the spoke of 9. So it would come here, 64,359. Let's try one more sample so we get the hang of this. Let's try 5 1. I'm going to try a fairly large number, 3 2 2 6. Let's say 3. So now let's look out for the patterns. So right there, 6 and 3 add up to 9. So we can ignore them. Likewise, 5 3 and 1, these three numbers add up to 9. So we can ignore them. What we are left with, 2 and 2, the digit sum of which is 4. So this large number can be placed on the spoke of 4. So it's pretty simple. With some practice, I think you'll be able to start seeing the numbers falling on the number wheel. So if I were to say, we can try this in a slightly different way. If I would say, give me a number between 10 and 20 with a digit sum of 10 and 20 with a digit sum of, let's say, 6. A number between 10 and 20 with a digit sum of 6. So 15 is one such number, because 5 plus 1 is 6, right? So right there, so you get the number 15. So you can keep practicing, looking at numbers from different perspective. Try out starting with a digit sum and uh, figuring out numbers backwards, or take a number and calculating the digit sum. Have fun with digit sums and number wheels.